Now this is the first problem of 6C. All you need to do is apply the entire lines and angles um, rules to these. As these are here, we have a set of parallel lines AB parallel CD. So herein lies the entire answer and the trick to enter this. See, this is parallel to this, so these two happen to be co-interior angles, and co-interior angles are supplementary. Sum of co-interior angles is supplementary, so our z will be 80 degrees. Now watch out, these form linear pair, these two form linear pair, and therefore this comes out to be 80. And as you know, for a set of parallel lines with a transversal, they happen to be alternate interior angles, and thus rule stands satisfied herein. Now this entire thing forms a linear, this is a 180 degree line, and there are three angles. You have 80 and 70, 150 have been arrived, and the rest 30 happens to be this angle. And finally I will go to x. Since this is 110, angle sum property of a triangle happens to be 180 degrees, and therefore this will be 110 and 180, so x is 70 degrees. 180 minus 30 plus 80. So I made use of co-interior angles, linear pair formula, and then sum of angles on a line is 180, and then here in I have used the angle sum property. So these are the three things that need to be mentioned while doing the problem in a very systematic way. For the second part of the problem also, the same holds good, and herein lies the key. We have to use the properties of the parallel lines, and we have to be very, very thorough with all the properties. And here only two angles have been given, and we are supposed to find x, y, z. As you know, this is parallel to this, and a transversal alternate interior angles by that rule are equal, and therefore this will be 40. Now here again the same rule applies, and therefore x will be 40. And since I have two 40s, the internal one will obviously be 180, because the sum of angles on a line is 180 degrees, straight line. So these are the rules that go into making of this problem.